Let's talk about JavaScript typeof operator. So the typeof operator is built-in operator in JavaScript that returns a string indicating the data type of a value. So in JavaScript, there are 5 different data types that can contain values, right? String, number, boolean, object, and functions. They contain values. So there are 6 types of object as well in JavaScript. That is object, date, array, string, number, boolean. And we have 2 data types that cannot contain value. One is null and the second one is undefined. So by using date or type operator, we can find the data type of a value which is assigned to a variable, or you can just find a data type of a value. Let's take an example. Let's say we have variable of const name John, right? So we need to find the data type of this one. So the way we do it, console log type of name string, or I can say console dot log type of, let's say, John. I can declare a variable and find the type of, or I can say type of string itself. Let's take some example like this. Okay, I have these variables, and if I say console.log type of, and I would just copy, the first one is num and the second one is dr, and this is bool and array, and then the last one is obj. Let's see the output. Number, string, boolean. This array is an object. This is also an object. So the type of returns different string of different data types, except for arrays and object, which both returns object. Let's say I have something like this, some x, and see the output. It is undefined. If I say null, null is an object. Let's say what happens when I say any, and that's a number. And if I say date, new date, that should be an object. Suppose if I say function, it's a function. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any video which are helping to learn coding and become a successful programmer. And I'll see you in next video.